I'm a fan of tone-on-tone embroidery. It looks so elegant. So here we use black thread on black fabric, white thread on white fabric, or just matching the fabric. So if you had purple and purple thread on there, how elegant it is. So I want to show you where you can turn the function on for the machine to stitch the entire design, especially if your design has multiple color changes, that you can turn it into a one color design. Also, by the way, you don't have to stop and change color. It will just sew from color 1 all the way through to the last stitch of the design. So that function is actually on not the editing screen, but the screen that we use when we stitch out. So I'm going to go ahead and touch our needle and thread, and it's going to ask for my hoop. I've actually got the same design on screen that we just stitched, and it will confirm that that hoop's going to move into position. And here's where you're going to choose for it to go from a multicolor design into a one color design. So kind of the 3 little color chips lined up go to a lime green one color. You'll notice that once you start stitching, color 1, color 2, and color 3 are all going to be stitched one right after another. So when you're finished, it's all done in the same color. So you don't have to stop, push the start button, stop, push the start button. It's going to do it for you. Now, just make sure you don't accidentally touch that when you are doing a multicolored design, because all of a sudden you'll have a design that is one color. So it is kind of hiding down here. I do love that that feature is there, and a quick touch turns it on or turns it off.